Day 32 of Finnish girl trying exotic foods. What I have today is this custard that I found in the supermarket for the price of €3.99. And it has a picture of cow on it. And I think it's going to be like white chocolate, milky, lovely pudding, custardy thing. I'm just going to open it. No, this is weird. Okay. It looks like that. Looks like just a regular dessert. Just gonna take a good bite. Oh, it's not sweet at all, and it tastes like barnyard. I don't know what this cow has been eating. It's 4.5 on scale 4 to 10.